Welcome to another episode for learning about 신조어, which are recently created Korean words. Today's popular word is 갑분싸. This word comes from the longer expression 갑자기 분위기 싸해진다. 갑자기 means suddenly, 분위기 means atmosphere, and the verb 싸해지다 means to be down, like the atmosphere is down or dead. Together, this means suddenly the atmosphere died, or someone suddenly just killed the atmosphere. Imagine that you're hanging out with your friends and having a good time, and suddenly someone walks in who's really angry. In this way, it's used as a kind of humorous way to say that something or someone killed the atmosphere, whether by telling a bad joke or by doing something. This word was started online around the middle of 2017 as a way to react to people telling unfunny jokes. And by the end of 2017, it had already entered modern Korean slang. Although this word is slang, it's not a swear word, but it's still best to avoid using it except with your close friends. So here are a couple of examples of how you can use it. 와, 갑분싸. Wow, it's suddenly dead in here. 왜 내가 오니까 갑분싸야? Why is the atmosphere dead suddenly when I get here? So, are there any other new words you'd like me to explain? Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. Remember that I also upload videos here every week, so if you like what you see, click subscribe. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.